Welcome to this guided meditation practice. Find yourself a comfortable seat. Allow yourself to begin to relax. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body. And now becoming aware of the fact that you are breathing. Now, following the flow of the breath, let this become the anchor for your attention. Follow the breath from the beginning of inhalation all the way through to the end of exhalation. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment. Know that being distracted is completely normal. Time after time, letting go and returning your awareness to the flow of your breath. From time to time, your mind will wander off. Time after time, being distracted by thoughts, feelings and sensations. Don't worry when this happens. Many times, letting go. Letting go over and over. Just bringing your attention to the breath and then returning to it again and again. And now bringing your attention to the center of your chest around your heart. With your awareness here, see if you can develop a sensation of ease, friendship, and warmth towards yourself. Allow this feeling to flow through you freely. Now in your mind's eye, imagine a person that you feel warmly towards. It may be a close friend or partner, someone who makes you happy when you think of them. Hold them in your attention and generate feelings of loving kindness towards them as you continue to breathe naturally. Though we're focusing the feeling of warmth and loving kindness on others, the brain benefits from these feelings as though we were feeling them ourselves. We relax, feel calmer, and improve our health. Now imagining someone who you know less well, someone you just have a neutral feeling toward. It may be a person you just met, or someone at work you see in passing. With this person in your mind's eye, see if you can send feelings of loving kindness to them. Now bring to mind someone that you find to be a difficult person, someone who makes you feel uncomfortable, or who may have caused you negative feelings or pain in the past. Hold an image of this person in your mind, and as best you can, try to develop feelings of warmth and loving kindness towards them. And finally, opening your awareness wider to include the room and local area, and finally holding the whole world in your attention and sending out feelings of warmth and loving kindness to everybody in every direction. Now bringing the attention back to the body. Just getting an overall feeling of how you're feeling in this moment. Maybe noticing how you feel now compared to before the practice. Noting how it feels to generate feelings of loving kindness and direct them at yourself and others. And when you're ready, bringing your attention back to the space around you, back to the room. Slowly bringing movement into your hands and feet. And when you're ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too.